Hallo und herzlich willkommen auf dem Sniper YouTube-Kanal. Ihr kennt mich bereits, mein Name ist Dennis und damit begrüße ich euch recht herzlich zum Video von Tag 2 unseres IWA Besuches 2016 in Nürnberg. Wir hatten gestern noch eine lange Nacht nach einem langen Tag, aber heute geht es in aller Frische weiter. Ich wünsche euch viel Spaß mit dem Video und auf geht's!
Welcome to King Arms IWA 2016. We are now with Sniper Airsoft. So in the next few minutes, I will introduce our new product line this year. And so mention about our new product this year that we have one thing in common is that we have built-in MOSFET and also the quick change spring. So we can see from here is our new licensed product, Black Ren Ordnance, which is American firearms manufacturer, and then they are specific on the tactical rifles. So you will see the same model with 3 different dimensions, and then this is the shortest and the middle and the longest one. And so it's the licensed product, so you can see the correct marking all over, and you will amazed by the this artwork because it's all CNC machining, one piece, and fluted barrel, the steel compensator, and also with the steel mag catch, also the steel trigger. Also here the steel charging handle with all the correct marking. And which I like the most is the Here, Let It Rain. It can be a very nice humor for a player. Okay, so it will goes with the magazine with 370 rounds capacity, and we will also have the suppressor and compensator here for in the markets, and we'll release a rounds in summertime. And the retail price will be about $400 US dollars. And we also have the compact version and limited edition with the water printing. Also, the one below is the T modes, key modes that TWS system. What is interesting for this one is that it's the ambidextrous for the mag release from the both sides. Oops. And also the selector, also for the ambidextrous. And because it's we will goes with the tactical grip, so for the price wise it's very attractive. It will be around $250 US dollars. So for the players it will be really nice. And in the future, well, actually we will have the Velcro here, so you can put your badges on it. So that's our new product this year, and thanks for visiting us.
Welcome on the stand of 101 Inc. from the Netherlands. We are now on the IWA 2016. And I want to introduce you on our stand. We hope this year we are coming with new items like our garments, the new stuff from SHS, and not to forget our Sluban Lego bricks. Thank you. Perfect.
Hallo, wir sind hier auf der IWA 2016 auf dem Stand von Köhler und vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen.
Hello, welcome to IWA 2016.
My name is Janet. I work for Vega Fields Company, and welcome to IWA 2016.
Now you see is the VFC Avalon series, which is released in 2016. The Avalon series we have some special features. Okay, we have the plastic QRS trigger guard, which could help you to hand the guard very smooth. Also, we have a bigger magazine catch. You can release the magazine very quick. And most special feature is the gearbox inside. All Avalon series, they all issue the FET trigger system. And compare with the new design of the trigger, you can enjoy the shooting moment. And this is the new product for this year.
Hello, my name is Josh from Valken Tactical, and welcome to IWA 2016. So this year at IWA we have our Battle Machine series. These were launched in the US 2015 last year, about July. We're actually in our second wave. Our first wave included the Mod L and Mod M series. Second wave we did for Christmas was the CQB as well as the SD. Now this year for 2016 we'll have our third wave, which will be the TRG series, the Tactical Railgun. And we'll be introducing a new color scheme. So here we have black rifles as well as desert. We'll also have a Spectre Gray, and that will be a new line of gray accessories as far as mags, grips, stocks, and handguards. We also showed our upgrade accessories. This year we have the VGS is currently released. It's available in Europe and the US. Everything is available in black, tan, and olive. And then we have our mid caps and high caps in the 5-pack. So here we have black and tan. These will also be available in gray towards the end of the year. So last year we presented the AR1. We will actually be launching it this March in the US. We did have some delays with design. We kept finding ways to improve it and make it more efficient. So we just held off. We wanted to perfect it. So we'll go over some of the new features that we have improved over what we had presented last year. So we have a newly designed stock cover for the bottle. We have a Valken Energy 13 cubic inch, 3000 PSI tank. Now the system is a 900 PSI input, but it is also compatible with low pressure tanks with outputs as low as 300. The system will cycle at 275 input, just with some modifications to the manifold. We selected a final handguard, so we have a polymer free float handguard with a monolithic upper rail. The grip is compatible with gas blowback grips, so you have a lot of customization options. Still, it is available and compatible with AEG magazines, so you have AEG mid caps as well as high cap compatibility. Market compatibility is 7 out of 10 unmodified. We went with a redesigned hop-up system, which makes for more stable, consistent feeding. For the hop-up, it is our proprietary hop-up. It's CNC'd aluminum with a Delrin concave nub. It uses an AEG inner barrel AEG bucking, so you have a lot of upgrade options. 14mm negative threading under the flash hider, so you can add barrel extensions, silencers, suppressors. Velocity adjustment is controlled by the upper manifold. We'll go ahead and open it up real quick. It's an extremely simple system. You have your semi-auto trigger group. In the US, we will also have a full auto trigger group that uses a micro dampener that is independent of the air source. That will have an adjustable rate of fire as low as 5 rounds a second up to 30+ rounds a second. The velocity is controlled with the upper manifold, and it uses a pulse pin valve, which makes it very efficient. We increased the efficiency from, I believe we said 1,000 shots per tank last year. We're getting as many as 1,600 to 1,800 shots per tank. The bolt, we went to the steel surfaces on the bolt are D2 steel with a Delrin nozzle chassis. So all of the striker surfaces, the hammer, the striker, the valve, and the sear are all D2 steel, and they're renewable. You can lubricate the system with marker oil. You can put it in the ASA, or you can lubricate the sear as well as the bolt. The entire system only has 8 O-rings in the entire system. So very easy to maintain, very durable. Also, the hop-ups is adjusted through a small adjustment with a hex key through the top. This is not a final version. There will actually be a larger hole. It's a 2-phase hop-up system. So it's an Allen screw or hex screw, smaller one inside of a larger one. Use the smaller one to set and adjust your hop-up. But then if you need to, for any reason, to turn your hop-up off, say chronograph or velocity adjustments, you can actually turn the system off, but then re-engage it so that your hop-up is set to where you last left it. So to go over that, you can set the hop-up for flat trajectory, but then you can turn it off, and when you turn it back on, it's back to your original setting. And that is a quick overview of the new AR1. And thanks for watching Sniper Airsoft Supply. We'll see you next time.
Das war's auch schon von Tag 2 unseres IWA-Besuches 2016 in Nürnberg. Ich hoffe, wir konnten euch einige Details zeigen und wir sehen uns fürs nächste Video wieder. Bleibt dran, abonniert unseren Kanal und auf Wiedersehen.